Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to summarize our voice recordings on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So in order to do so, we need to of course go to the voice recorder, and we can press the recording button in order to start creating a voice memo or voice recording. Now there must be a certain length of the voice recording in order to be able to convert it into, or actually to let the AI summarize the recording. But if it's long enough, then let's actually pause it and save it. If it's long enough, then you can go to the recording, press transcribe over here. Wait a couple of seconds. You might need to choose the language, so we can choose to transcribe into another language. For some reason it thinks that I have Australian accent, perhaps it is true. So let's choose English United States. Let's wait a couple of seconds, and there we go, we have transcript, and here we can switch to summary. And yeah, we have actually a summary, so it doesn't really have to be that long. I guess it depends on the context of the voice recording, but here we can create summary of our voice memo like this. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!